Hello everyone, let's learn how we can make a bubble chart like this. To achieve this, we need to do some modification in Microsoft Excel so that we can get a bubble charts like this. This chart has been created by on the base of this data. Let me select all this data and insert. If I go to scatter over here, this is a bubble chart, right? The moment I click over here, it says use this chart type, compare at least 3 sets of value or pairs of data, right? So instead of taking all, what I need to do, let me select 3 data over here, insert, scatter, and the 3D one. Let me click over here. I'm keeping it over here, and we are going to use this chart as a reference. So exactly this type of chart we are going to prepare over here. So have a look over here. So here the data is representing from -505, but if you see over here, it start from 0 till 25. Everything is okay, but we want from 0, right, instead of -5. So for that we need to click over here, vertical value, right click, format axis. So instead of -5, just put it 0. Automatically it will change. You can have a look. So here -2 is there instead of -2. If you look over here the data 90, 95, so you can start it from 80 like the way it has been started over here till 150, right? So click over here, right click, format axis. So we are going to write down 80 over here, and this will be till 150, right? 150, and click OK. So the moment you change this value, the bubbles over here disappeared. To bring it back, what we need to do, we need to select the data over here and remove it, add one. So series name, this will be the series name. Series axis, X value, this will be the X value, right? So X value, we are going to give a original weight. Y value, this will be the Y value. So let us change this one, and this is the program weeks, right? Then bubble size is the weight, loss, and hit OK. The moment we hit OK, we see the bubbles like this. Don't worry, we can go to the change type over here, and instead of this normal one, we can select the 3D one and click OK. So it will convert it as a 3D bubbles. You can change the color, not any issues. Have a look over here. This will be the heading of our chart titles. What I do, I copy paste this one. You can write here, not any issues. So instead of any formatting, you just copy and paste it over here and close this one, right? And I can bring this one with horizontal weight also. If you want to, just click enter, or just bring it down till here so that it will be looking like exactly something like that. Okay, fine. So you have added this, and the data will be looking like this. So weeks need to be written over here. That is called vertical value axis. How you can see art elements, access titles, and here it is horizontal. Click over here. In horizontal, we are going to copy paste this one, original weight in kg. Just paste it over here, not any issues. Once it is done, we are going to see this horizontal value same way, art chart elements, access titles, verticals, and here we are going to copy the weeks over here. Moment you copy, click over here, let it active, select this one and paste it. So we have changed this one, right? So almost many thing has been done, but let me edit this one to look something like this. So for that, what I need to do, right click, format data series. Here click on this one, and color, let us select something like this. So it will be looking like this. But at the same time, if you see the bubble, though the chart size is something or similar like this, but this bubbles looks smaller. Or let us reduce the chart size, not any issues. If you want to reduce the bubble size, click on the bubbles, and here instead of 100% scalable bubble to size, let us make it to 80. So it has been in decrease. You can decrease more also, 70, to match with similar something like that, right? Area. Once it is done, if you see this one, plot area, you can see the lines over here. By selecting over here, this is the outline of this specific plot area. What we can do, color we can give blue. Oh, this will be the shadow, so don't give any shadow over here, make it white. Glow we are not going to give in. Solid fill we are not going to give. Fill pattern, border we can give, instead of white we can give this one, or it looks like same, or we can select the light color as a border, not any issues. This one. So once you have selected, you can see the light border, something like this. If you want to change this axis, click over here. You can see all this will be activated. Vertically it will be activated. So you go over here, see color, you can select the blue one, right? Here transparency also you can do the adjustment, and width also can be adjusted. Take an example, I reduce the width to 0.5. Same thing, come click over here, it will be activated. Change the color to light blue, at the same time decrease the width. So the charts will be looking like this only. But if you see over here, another blue line is there in that border. It is nothing, just outline of the same. Once you selected this one, go to the format, shape outlines, and in shape outlines you can select, for an example, this blue, and thickness also can be checked. So exactly you can do the modifications like this. If you see over here, whatever the X value and Y values are there, you can change the color. Just select over here in the home tab, go over here, select blue, at the same time click over here and click over here. So in that way you can modify modifications of data and exactly make a data something looks like that only. Have a look. You can decrease the size of the chart also like this. Same. So the moment you decrease the size of a chart, it will be looking something like that only. Have a look. So what it says, if you talk about 90, right? 90 is the original weight over here. 90. Program weeks is 18. So 90, this will be the 18 program weeks. And if you see in front of this, weight loss is 15. So this ball size will be 15. See, size is 15. So in that way, the data between 19 and 100, if you see, this is Parag 95, right? So 13 is the program week. So it is 13. At the same time, it will be showing 18, size 18, right? In that way, you can utilize or you can show the data in a bubble forms, which will be looking excellent. At the same time, I have shown you a lot of ideas of editing the bubble charts. At the same time, by using the same way, you can do the editing of the different charts to get a particular chart style. This looks absolutely fine. I hope you learn. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.